Hey, baby. Breakfast is ready.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome. Need anything else?
I'm good.
You sure?
Yes.
All right, come on.
Oh my God, babe. How are you, darling?
I'm okay.
Babe, you made breakfast.
Yes, I did.
Oh my God. Good morning, sweetie.
Baby, you look like you've just seen a ghost.
I was so worried. I overslept. I was tired. I was supposed to do this, babe.
Look, you don't have to worry about any of these things, okay? I got you.
And I'm sorry I slept off before you got back home yesterday. I was so tired from work. I'm sorry.
Baby, like I said, don't stress yourself, okay?
Sweetie, you know what? Finish up your food. I'll go shower and drop you off at school, okay?
Shower?
Okay.
Baby, I've showered already. I don't think she can wait for you. I'll drop her off myself.
Oh, babe. Why are you so sweet? You make everything so easy. What would I have done without you?
That's because I'm your husband.
Babe.
Mm-hmm.
I love you.
I love you too.
Wait, your madam, where's your madam?
Exactly.
Seriously?
Girl, it's just taking too long.
So where to be?
I think you should try calling her again. Hey girls, I am so sorry. I kept finally. I'm sorry. Traffic was crazy. I'm really
Madam,
sorry.
we told you were traveling with this head today and see when you're coming.
I know. I'm sorry, honestly. So can we get to it now? I'm here now.
Let's just go to it. Let's start. I'm glad you're here. So I want you to go through this. I made some screenshots of hairs that I know. Just
perfect. I like this already. You said it's a holiday, like a vacation thing, okay? I like this one. We could just do like a bit of twist to it, more like a girly thing, you know. This one too. I like this. I know what we can do with this. And
I have a call. Oh, let me see. Hey, Sugar Plum. Baby, how about now? You told me you were going to send me money. Up till now, I've not seen anything. Really? You must have been very busy with your wife. Tomorrow you now tell me that I'm sweeter than her. Okay, alright. The only way I am going to be happy is if you take me elsewhere, somewhere nicer. Oh, I like the sound of that. Zadie, I believe you so much. And you know what? For being a good boy, I think we should spice things up a bit. I have a very beautiful friend of mine that I think, in fact, I'm going to bring her along. So we can try something nasty and different. How do you like that? Okay, I'm still expecting the money though. Yeah? Oh, I love you too, boo boo. Mwah, mwah. Oh, girl.
my baby. Oh, we killed it.
You've not seen anything yet.
Baby. Yo, I told
Come
you, men
on,
have
you
skin
know.
white.
You have feelings, girl.
Are you still
Let's
ready
just
to
start.
start? Let's get back to the
Oh,
head
yeah.
thing.
Oh,
So
I'm sorry.
I actually like
Distractions.
to agree that I picked up. Since it's a holiday, I was thinking something very girly and corny should work.
Okay.
So So you go upstairs, change your clothes, take a shower, I'll join you shortly, okay?
Okay. Are you sure? Okay.
I'm fine, sweetheart.
You're
okay.
really sure?
Yeah, I am. I'll be with you soon, okay?
Okay, Mom.
Babe, I'm just coming from the kitchen. I'm starving and there's nothing to eat.
I'm sorry, babe. I was too tired. I couldn't cook.
Daddy.
Hey, baby.
I'm hungry. Mom said I can have some golden one.
I'm coming downstairs to fix you something to eat, okay?
Okay.
Be there. Babe?
Look, I had a very long day at work today. I attended to too many clients. I had to fix their hairs. They insisted I do it myself. Then I had to sit for hours sorting out people's hairs and wigs. Babe, it was a long one for me. I just couldn't cook.
Fine. Get some rest, okay? I'll go downstairs and fix us something to eat. I'll call you when it's ready. You work too hard.
Who would believe that Justin, as nice as he is, can cheat on me? Oh, God. Can you cheat, Justin?
Hey, why aren't you eating your food? You can't tell me it's because you're tired.
Babe, I'm fine. I'm okay. Eat up, okay.
Honey, you like the food?
Uh-uh. Are you sure? Which one is Justin is cheating? How is that even possible?
Cora, I know what I saw. I confirmed it. I even know the girl he's cheating on me with.
Ah,
He buys her gifts, sends her money, then he comes back home and acts like he doesn't know what he's doing. So disgusting.
I think you should try to ask him. Try to find out why he's cheating on you.
And what was reason be?
Maybe there's something you're not doing right as a wife. Okay, maybe you're giving your business way too much attention. Or maybe, the sex game is not as lit as it used to be.
I don't think so. I take care of my family very well. You know that.
Rosie, if you're certain that you've done everything you need to do as a wife, then you should confront him with full evidence and do it with your full chest. Don't go about belittling yourself on this matter. It's not worth it. Okay? Don't let your husband put you in a situation where you have to cause yourself to play with pigs. Babe, self-respect. Self-respect.
I can't believe Justin would do this to me. How could he? I thought he loved me. God, I'm so angry. I'm angry, I'm hot.
It's okay.
I'm sad.
It's okay, sorry. I'm sorry this is happening. I'm so sorry. Sorry.
Queen, how is that your boyfriend?
He's fine. He bought me gift card, 2 bottles of red wine as an apology last night. Also, yeah, we're good. I told you girls.
Babes, wait. So because of ordinary bag and wine, of how much? Babes, I pity you. Oh. Hey. Haven't you heard of rich men buying their wife luxurious gifts like cars? Houses and millions. Yeah, they still cheat behind their back. Babe, where are you going about this, It's dangerous, so extreme.
For your information, I don't cheat. My boyfriend doesn't cheat either. He's not that type.
Eh? Did I hear you say type?
Yes, you heard me right. He's not that type.
Wait, where is it written? Is it stamped on his forehead? Girl, listen. We have lots of clients booking us. So you need to put your acts together. What's this?
Babes, tell them. Pastors, politicians, babes. Is your boyfriend holier than them? Please.
What is it? I'm so sorry. Guys, okay. I'm just so excited, that's why.
What's up?
Okay, hold on. Hey, Sugar Plum. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, I saw it. Oh my God. Yes, I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Wait, babe. Who was that?
Okay, so that was my man. He sent me 300,000 naira to get myself nice things, go shopping. Oh my goodness.
300 what?
Yes, darling, you heard me.
I bet, babes, which of the maga?
That one I told you now.
That's my girl. Babes, is this guy really married?
Duh, he's married. And he talks about his wife all the time. See, girl, if you see this man, you will not believe he's cheating on his wife.
Holy girl.
He tells me to do things, he tells me not to do some things, he tells me when to call him and when not to call him. My own is just to obey him. After all, he's bringing the money.
That's the spirit.
Yes. And I heard his wife is a workaholic. So as a sharp girl, all I just need to do is to treat him better so that you have no room to leave me.
My girl. Come on, man.
Oh my goodness.
Babes, good girl, no dey pay oh.
See, girl, if you see this man, you will not believe he's cheating on his wife.
Girl.
He tells me when to call him and when not to call him. My own is just to obey him.
My baby. Sexiest woman alive. Black beauty. Huh. Your Royal Majesty. Welcome home, baby.
Hey.
I got you something.
Thank you. It was quite thoughtful of you.
That's not all. I'm making your favorite in the kitchen, just the way you like it.
Thank you.
So, how was your day?
Babe, I had a really long day. I need to go shower. I feel so sticky. And thanks for the gift.
Maybe I'm coming. Let me check on the thing.
Truly, this is really how it feels to get it hard, shattered into pieces and no room to mend it all. Trying hard to push the past away, but it's difficult. Rising every morning, boy, you're stuck in yesternight, feeling deeply broken, but you can not let it heal. Waving hearts and memories, but it's difficult. Though it may seem you're fading away, but you have to put the past behind and move on. Tomorrow is better, though it may seem you're fading away, but you have to put the past behind and move on. Tomorrow is better.
Babe, stop.
Babe, what's going on with you? You've been acting cold lately.
Nothing, I'm just stressed out. Work. Just tired.
Stressed out? Is that why you're acting weird?
I'm just tired. I'm just tired. Nothing else, just tired and stressed out.
From work, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I need to rest.
I know how to help you rest. I'm gonna give you a massage.
I don't want massage. I just want to relax by myself.
Okay, fine. Then we can cuddle at least, right?
Babe, I don't want to cuddle. I just want to be alone. I'm tired. I'm stressed out. I don't.
Maybe to massage your body.
But I don't want you to massage me. I just want to stay by myself and watch TV alone.
At least let's cuddle. Let's cuddle. Babe.
Babe,
Yeah, babe.
can I ask you something?
Yeah, sure.
Look, I know I've been very busy and occupied with my business and family a lot. Is there something I'm not doing as your wife that you don't like or you miss?
Why do you ask?
I need to know, babe. A friend of mine, her husband is cheating on her, and from all indications it's because she was paying too much attention to her work instead of her husband.
Baby, come on.
Babe, tell me the truth. I need to know. Is there something I'm not doing? Is there something you want me to do as your wife and you're missing it, you want it? Anything at all. Tell me the truth. You don't need to sugarcoat it. Just say it to me. I don't want you to cheat on me.
Baby, no now. Come on. Babe, you are the best wife in the world. You're the best thing that has ever happened to me. My jewel. My bright morning sun. Baby, I can never, ever cheat on you. Okay? There can never be another you, babe. Okay? Listen, babe. Listen. I love you so much. And I can never do anything to intentionally hurt you.
Okay, babe. Hmm?
My baby. You happy now?
Yes, babe.
Meanwhile, I was going to mention that I'll be traveling on a business trip this weekend. But when the business is over, I'll be back, okay? I miss you already.
Me too.
My baby. Come here. What? You look sad. Come here, babe. Come. Baby.
Babe, it's fine. I believe it's okay.
Oh, my phone is ringing. Oh, baby, I have to take this, okay? Okay, sit. Right. I'll be right back. Hey baby, I had to leave early, didn't want to be late for my flight, and I didn't want to bother you by waking you up. But don't worry, I placed a kiss on your forehead before leaving. I love you.
I have to be strong for my child. I have to be strong. I can't help but notice that you're by yourself today. Your friends didn't come.
Oh, that they traveled.
They did?
Yes. They have a business trip they have to attend to, so they have to leave town.
The kind of business they talk about here? Men?
Yeah, I don't judge.
Oh, come on. I didn't say you were judging them. I'm just wondering. Never mind. It's
No,
fine.
no, no, you can talk to me. I mean, they're not here. Talk to me. What's that?
I'm just wondering how you're different. I mean, you're very different from them. I'm wondering how you're friends with girls like that. Obviously, I know they make a lot of money from what they do. Well, you choose not to.
Well, I don't want to be the reason another woman is sad or have a broken home. I have a man. If my man cheats, girl, I'll be devastated. I mean, I don't think I want to do such. It's really wrong. I can't.
You're different, Queen.
Yes, thank you.
In a very good way. And I like that.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, I think this is set. And I love my nail.
You have to put it so it dries real quick.
Okay.
I told you you'd love it. This is the latest gel polish in town.
Thank you. I love it. My man is so going to love this.
Oh, I bet he would.
Truly, this is really how it feels to get it hard, shattered into pieces, and no room to mend it all. Trying hard to push the past away, but it's difficult. Rising every morning, boy, you're stuck in yesternight, feeling deeply broken, but you can not let it heal. Waving hearts and memories, but it's difficult. Though it may seem you're fading away, but you have to put the past behind and move on. Tomorrow is better, though it may seem you're fading away, but you have to put the past behind and move on. Tomorrow is better. Be the warm in place, but you cannot leave the cold. Hungry for the light, but you cannot leave the dark. Close your eyes and kiss your past goodbye. It's difficult.
Hey, baby. I've been calling all day. Are you okay?
I had no idea my phone was on silence.
It's alright. We just finished with the first batch of the meeting and I snuck out to call you again. I miss you.
I'm really tired. I need to go back to bed. I have work in the morning. A lot of work.
Is something wrong with your voice?
No, I think I have a cold.
I'm going to jump on the next flight to come be with you and Lucia as soon as I can, okay? You know, hold and kiss you. I miss you. I love you, baby.
Babe, I'm so sorry you have to go through all of this. I'm so sorry.
I'm so certain he didn't go on any business trip.
Then why didn't you just blast him with the truth?
What truth? What evidence do I have? Oh, you want me to tell him that I saw his number on the girl's phone when he called? He'll call me crazy.
I don't understand. Rosie, you saw the chats. You could just ask for his phone.
He's cheating, Cora. He'll clear those chats off his phone. In fact, I've been acting up for days now, so he'll know something is up. He's not stupid. He's been cheating and getting away with it.
Then what are you going to do now? Are you just going to sit here sulking and doing nothing about the whole situation?
I don't know. I'm still thinking. But the one that hurts me the most is the fact that he cheats and still comes back acting nice and sweet and romantic towards me. Yet he stabs me in the back. You still go and cheat on me. So hurtful.
Babe, I know. I'm sorry you have to go through all of this, but you need to be strong. Especially for you and your child, Lucia. Always think of her, please.
It hurts, Cora. It hurts.
I'm so sorry you're going through this. Honestly, I am. I'm sorry.
Wait, so you have a car now?
Yes, I do. My sister Nagodo. Nagodo.
You're so funny. What do you mean, Nagodo? You traveled with your friend and you were away for quite a while and you come back with a car. How is it Nagodo?
Okay, you caught me there. Well, I traveled with my man and he spoiled me silly. He took me to this beautiful resort and he pampered me like a baby. And at the end of the weekend getaway, he bought me a car as thanks for coming. Seriously, at this point, I think I pity a lot of people in marriages because that's somebody's ride or die.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
What? Are you going to tell her the reason we are here, or you keep on going on and on with our weekend getaway trip?
Okay, I hear you. Rose, this weekend trip was really, really lucrative for us, and I'm looking at investing into a business. And I love hair business. And I trust you, and I trust the quality of hairs that you sell. So I need you to help us order hairs. I have a lot of Instagram followers, Facebook followers that would be able to buy from me. I don't know if it's something you could do. Please.
Of course, gladly. I would love to help.
Okay. Thank you so much. So, how much do I need to start?
If you want quality hair and something trendy that everybody would like,
Okay.
10 million naira would do.
Just 10 million naira. Oh my God, this is good. This is good. Okay, so my boyfriend, my man, my zaddy, my boo-boo, my sugar plum is going to give me 10 million naira and even more at the snap of my fingertips.
Exactly, girl. You talk and do.
Zaddy!
Babes, do you see how fine that man is? Even his wife wants to keep him to herself. Even God that created this beauty will be angry now.
Can you blame her?
Yeah.
I believe the woman alone.
Girls are so lucky.
Of course we are.
Rosie, I couldn't help but come back. Are you okay? Yeah, are you okay? You seem so cold. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You seem so distant and quiet. Unlike the hyper Rose that we all know. Really, what's going on? Talk to me.
I'm good. I'm just stressed with work.
Stressed. I'm slightly worried.
I'm good.
Well, if you say so. Do take care of yourself, and I will be back when I grow all of this. All right, darling. Take care, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Queen?
Yes.
Thank you.
Don't mention. Take care. Bye.
Hey, baby.
Hey.
Welcome back.
I wasn't expecting you.
Yeah?
I had no idea your business was over.
Yeah. I wanted to surprise you.
How's your trip?
It was great, actually. I sealed the deal with the investors. Yeah?
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I got the money you sent to me. What was it for?
Oh, yeah. I got the contract, so I decided to appreciate the woman who's been my backbone, supporting and praying for me through it all. Thank you, baby. The money's for you. You can add it to your business or do whatever you want with it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Babe, it was 10 million though.
Oh, please. Stop. Stop.
Babe, please, we need to talk. Please.
It's late and I'm tired. Whatever it is you want us to talk about, we can talk about it in the morning, please.
Baby, please, I insist. Let's talk. Just hear me out, please. What's going on with you? You've been avoiding me for weeks now and you've been acting strange.
I'm just tired. That's all. I'm tired and there's nothing more to it.
You're tired? Babe, you barely cook, you barely talk to me, you're always on your own. What's really happening?
Stress from business? Yeah, I'm stressed out. That's it. It's nothing serious. I'm fine. Is that all?
Yeah.
Good night.
What do you want?
It's about my wife. Something is bothering her, but she's not saying anything. Did she tell you anything at all?
No, she didn't.
Are you sure? I mean, you can think about it for a few minutes. I'll call you back.
She didn't. And to the best of my knowledge, she's okay. Maybe it's work stress, that's all.
For how many days now? I know my wife. She's not usually like this. She's distant and even hardly speaks to me. When she's stressed, she runs to me. This is strange and unsettling.
Justin, it happens like that sometimes. Just let her be. She'll come around, okay?
I don't know how long that will take, but it's beginning to drive me crazy. I mean, I'm a businessman too.
Justin, I don't have anything to say. That's all I know. Bye.
Hey.
Rosie, guess who just called you?
Who?
Your husband.
Why? Why is he calling you?
He was complaining about you and some attitude you've been giving him.
That guy is very stupid. Do you know he bought a car for that girl? Yes, after frolicking and having dirty threesome with her and her friends. He now expects me to allow him touch me with those dirty hands of his. How?
Babe, the more we get to know about this, the worse it gets.
I'm telling you. No, tell me, how do you expect me to allow him touch me when he's being with dirty girls that sleep and jump from one man to another? They will now dash him diseases. He will come back home and dash it to me. God forbid.
Rosie, I understand. But the question is, are you going to confront him?
Definitely I will. But I'm still trying to get enough evidence, facts, proofs, everything I need. So when I give it to him, he won't deny it. He will know I have everything I need. So I'm taking my time. I'm not in a hurry. I'm very patient about it. When the time comes, I'll dash it to him.
Babe, I'm here for you. Anyhow you want to do it. Any which way, I'm solidly behind you.
Thank you, Cora.
You're welcome, my babe.
I really appreciate it. I really...
When he called me, I'm like...
Oh, he has not seen anything.
I just don't understand.
What?
Ruby, how about that your maga?
Which one?
That man now, that married man, the one that want to pay your flight ticket to Abuja.
Oh, do you know he just sent me 400k for snack? Don't mind that goat. Imagine, he wants me to be his second wife, and he said he's going to give me time to think about it.
What?
And I also heard he does not even give his wife money.
How is that when you're concerned? That's his business between him and his wife. It's not your business.
Exactly.
Focus on your own.
Okay, so my own is let the money be coming, and me, I cannot be a second wife. Not me though, God forbid.
Girls, I want to ask a question. Do you think having a sugar daddy is a good thing? I'm sorry I'm intruding. I just couldn't help it.
Rosie, it is a good thing. Oh, don't you know that variety is the spice of life? Besides, that is where the real money is. It's like gold.
Exactly.
So, how do you feel when you get married and you find out that your husband is cheating?
I don't even think I want to get married or not, because I like varieties. I like them in different sizes and different lengths, you know? Oh my!
Seriously, that is real life. I mean, with the kind of shaggy these men who pretend to be innocent show their family. Babes, who will see fire go jump inside? There you go.
God, I beg. Anyways, if I intend to get married at all, I'll just understand. Because all men cheat. Let's say the truth.
You think so?
Abi?
Yeah, of course. I mean, we don't mean to be rude, but I see a wedding band around your hand. I think you should take it off to prevent future heartbreak. And besides, you shouldn't trust your husband 100%, you know, because the more the trust, the deeper the wound.
Exactly. Well, if my husband intends to cheat, let me shall not find out. That's my own.
In other words, you are okay with him playing his games, as long as you don't see his cards.
Exactly. Simple as ABC. Because I cannot my stress and keep myself. I'm a soft girl. Soft life.
Babe? Babe? Did you hear me? Babe?
I'm sorry, babe. I'm sorry.
What's going on? You seem so far away.
I was engrossed with the movie. I was watching TV.
You weren't even watching the TV. And what movie are you talking about? It's on a news
I
channel.
said I was watching the TV, the movie, whatever. Look, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to yell. I'm just stressed out, work and everything. I'm sorry. What were you saying?
Sorry, work call. I have to take this.
Sorry, I kept you waiting.
That's fine.
So regarding your hair order, I got your payment the other day. I told you. So I've already placed orders for your hair. Yes. So it should be on the way to Nigeria very soon.
Right. Okay, so can I see? Because I'm very curious.
Of course you can. I will show you. Here you go.
Okay.
I handpicked everything myself. The colors, lengths, all of it. The short hair is the best for me. I love it. The color, oh my God. Honey brown, it's amazing. Do you like it?
Yes, it's perfect. Sorry, I mistakenly picked your call. Sorry, is that your...
Is that your husband?
Yes. My husband. Your sugar plum. Your zaddy. Your man.
I'm sorry.
What? This is unbelievable. You mean the same man we have been discussing in her presence happened to be her husband?
If I didn't see his picture, I wouldn't believe it.
Hey, Ellie. So this woman knew all along that the man we traveled to go and see is her husband, and she said nothing about it.
She knew. Ruby, she knew. Eh? See, this woman can kill. Because what in the name of cunning is this? She sat there, she listened to everything, she pretended as if she didn't know anything. Jesus Christ!
I told you too that this life will not pay you. Now see, she doesn't rate you two at all. And on top of that, she went ahead to help you people. As if nothing happened.
If you don't have anything reasonable to say, I beg you in the name of God, just shut up. Because I'm here, scared and confused. I gave that woman 10 million naira for the hair. And I gave her 300k for clearing. Wait, do you think that's small money?
You slept with somebody's husband. That's somebody's husband's money, honey. I mean, you left this young man for somebody's husband simply because he gives you what? Money? Really? You two are the reason that once happy and cheerful woman is now withdrawn, sad, hurting. Really, you should be ashamed of yourself.
Saint Queen, enough with the hypocrisy. This is the same car that you've been lounging and sitting pretty while I drive around town. And you did not complain. Now you are complaining.
Oh yeah?
What?
Fine. Have it. Enjoy your car. You see this mess you two got yourselves into. And on top of that, you see nothing wrong with it. It just goes to say that the two of you are irredeemable. How did I end up with you two being friends? Gosh!
Go! Yes! Go!
I'm going!
Go! Go to that your faithful boyfriend. The day he will mess you up, you come back crying and begging. Rubbish!
Ew! God, though, what kind of problem is this? Ellie, I mean, so what do we do now?
I don't know. It's not just 10k that I can overlook. We're talking 10.3 million. Exactly. Shit!
Is something wrong with this girl? Hello?
Hi, Sugar Plum.
Didn't I make myself clear? I told you that you can't call me by this time. Especially when I'm at home. You can't call me.
I know. Your wife, Justin.
What about my wife? Look, this had better be really important. Else I'm going to get more upset than I already am.
Does she have a big salon?
Are you insane? I told you that we can't talk about my wife. I can't talk about my wife.
Does she have a big salon?
Yes, she has a big... What's the problem?
Your wife knows, Justin. Your wife knows about us.
What? How?
Can you believe we've been discussing about you in her presence without even knowing? I even sent her over 10 million naira for...
Rosie, where are you?
This is really how it feels to get it hard, shattered into pieces and no room to mend it all. Trying hard to push the past away, but it's difficult. Rising every morning, boy, you're stuck in yesternight, feeling deeply broken, but you can not let it heal. Waving hard to memories, but it's difficult. Though it may seem you're fading away, but you have to pull the
You want to play a game? Let's play.
move on. Tomorrow is better, though it may seem you're fading away, but you have to put the past behind and move on. Tomorrow is better. Be the woman place, but you cannot leave the cold. Hungry for the light, but you cannot leave the dark. Close your eyes and kiss your past goodbye.
Hey, babe. How are you? How was your day? Come here. How are you? How was your day?
Fine, babe. I've been calling. I was so worried about you.
Oh, I'm so sorry, babe. I had no idea my phone was ringing. I had a really busy day at work today. I'm good. And guess what? I made a lot of sale today, so I am happy. I'm in a good mood. Business was good. I had a good day. Yeah, I did.
Baby,
Yeah?
please,
Mm-hmm.
we need to talk.
Babe,
Huh?
there's nothing to talk about. Nothing. Look, I had a good day. I am happy, so there's nothing to talk about.
There's a lot to talk about.
No, look. I know you missed me, and I missed you too so much, babe. I'm back here. I'm back home for you. Let me go freshen up and I'll come back to you. I missed you.
Hey. Babe.
Yeah?
There's something important that I really need to talk to you about.
Babe, there's nothing to talk to me about. Guess what? I'm in the kitchen and I'm making your favorites. You know what it is, right?
Babe, please, just
Babe,
stop.
just
Listen.
hold on. You've been complaining about my mood. I'm not cooking. So today I decided to cook. I'm in a better mood today. I'm happy, as you can see. So there's nothing to talk about. What we should be talking about is how you're going to go to the dining. You sit down and I'll serve you food, your favorites.
Baby,
Shh. Dinner will be ready in a bit. Let me go set the table. Ito,
where's Lucia's food?
don't worry. I'll serve her hers upstairs in her bedroom. Eat, babe.
No, thanks. I'm not hungry.
Yes, babe, you are hungry. So you eat. Look, all the stress I was having from work that made me grumble and moody and you were complaining, it's all over. Work stress, it's all over. So I'm back to your ever-loving wife. To my normal self, just the way you like it. And I cooked. I made food your favorite. So babe, you will eat.
No, I'm not hungry, baby.
You can't say no to your wife's food. I made this food.
And I said I am not hungry.
It's your favorite. Spicy, just the way you like it.
Do you want to force me to eat?
No,
I said I'm not hungry.
You are. You missed my cooking. I cooked. You have to eat.
I'm fine. Thank you. I'm fine, baby.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, I'm very sure.
It's quite tasty.
Baby.
And spicy.
Mm-hmm. If you really want me to eat, maybe we should exchange plates.
Oh no, babe. This is for you. Specially made for you. Just the way you like it.
I'm not hungry.
Mm-hmm. Babe.
Hey? What are you doing?
I want you. I want you to give it to me. I want you, babe.
I'm not in the mood.
You have to be in the mood. I don't like this. You've been wanting this for so long. But you've been begging and wanting this. I want you. I want you to give it to me the way I like it, babe. Tonight is the night to give it to your wife.
No, babe. Tonight is not the night. I don't have anything to give to you tonight, please.
Hey, come on. You wanted this. And now I'm in the mood. You don't want to give it to me.
Yeah, but why now?
Because I'm in the mood. Are you sure you don't want this?
No, I don't want it.
Yes, you do, babe.
No, I don't
You've
want.
been wanting this.
Baby, I don't want it, please. I'm not. Babe,
Come on,
babe,
don't be like
babe,
that.
please.
He ended the call on me. Ruby, I told him. And he ended the call on me. 10.3 million naira. What am I going to do? When almost all the money I have on this planet Earth, you know I don't save. Almost all my money is with that lady.
So are you going to sit there all night crying? Babes, don't worry, tomorrow we'll deal with this, please.
Everything can't just go like that. You see now, you see how Justin took care of us just for the weekend. Babe, this is my biggest catch. I can't lose him. I'm not ready. I'm not ready to lose him.
Nothing of such will happen. That man adores you, and you give him everything better than his wife. He says that all the time. So relax. This will be sorted out soon enough. Okay?
Are you sure?
Good morning, sunshine. I made breakfast for you and I ironed your clothes for work. I already took Lucia to school. Don't worry, I placed a kiss on your forehead before leaving. I love you.
What kind of problem is this now? Huh? No, I won't eat that food though. I won't. What's her plan now? What kind of mess have I gotten myself into?
I need to ask her for my money. That is no small amount to overlook.
I know, but that would be really hard.
Babe, don't annoy me. We're talking about 10.3 million naira. It's not 5 naira.
True, but are you going to drive down to her salon to collect the money?
Precisely. Yes, we worked hard for that money over the weekend. We earned it. Yes, I'll ask her for the money. Justin, what is it? Do you want to run off my battery?
I need to talk to you. Please, listen to me.
What do you want from me?
I cheated on my wife. And now I'm scared of losing her or what she might do.
Oh, suddenly you now have conscience. And you want to repent.
I'm sorry.
Justin, you're sorry. Let me tell you the truth, you are apologizing to the wrong person. Do you know how much hurt you've caused that woman? Do you know? You don't have any idea because you've been busy messing around in your silly game. Justin, I'm disappointed in you.
Cora, I know I messed up, but I also need to talk to her. She's not listening to me.
What were you expecting? That she would open up her arms and accept you like nothing happened? Really?
Cora, please help me talk to her, okay?
Justin, please. Just go. When you were busy doing all of that, you didn't know.
Cora?
Please, just leave me.
Hi, Sugar Plum.
Are you insane? What the hell are you doing here? What if my wife was around?
Baby, please. I'm sorry. I didn't know she was your wife.
Get out of my house.
No.
Leave my house now.
Justin, please don't do this. We need to talk about this.
Please.
We need to go and beg her.
Are you out of your mind? Didn't I just tell you how Justin behaved? I bet she's really angry.
But she didn't hurt us all this while.
Probably because we didn't know she was his wife. But now we know. It's not the same thing.
But then we should try. If she takes that money or the hair and invest in her business, we can't even arrest her. We should just try.
God. I just can't anymore. I said way too much. I said too much. God.
Then let me go.
What?
Let me go and beg her. Rosie.
Hi.
I know I shouldn't be here right now, but I came to apologize on behalf of me and my friend who couldn't bear to stand you.
It's okay.
No, it's not. You're so kind, and even when you find out that we're the reason for your pains, you're still kind to us.
Look, I hold nothing against you at all. Okay? If my husband didn't come for you girls, you wouldn't be in this mess. So in all of this situation, I hold my husband accountable. If he didn't come for you, he would still have gone for some other person. So it's fine. It's totally okay.
Oh God, you're so kind. And I mean this from my heart. We are so sorry.
I know the reason you're mostly here for is the money you paid me for your hairs. Don't worry. When the goods come in, I'll call you. I'll let you know.
Thank you so much. And I mean this. Thank you.
Okay, it's fine.
Wait. Babe. Babe. Why are you not sleeping? Babe.
Are you okay, babe?
Yeah. Oh, it was a dream. It was a dream.
You had a nightmare?
Yes. Thank God. Ah, thank God. Oh my goodness.
Oh! Hey. Yeah, I said I was going to give you a call when the hair arrives. So it's here now. You can come to my salon in the next 1 hour and pick it up. Yeah, okay.
Okay. Okay. Babe, please. Can we talk? I can't stand this anymore. Please, let's just talk. Please.
There's nothing for us to talk about. Look, I have people waiting for me at the salon. I need to run.
Babe, please, look, I'm begging you. Just a few minutes of your time. That's all I'm asking for. Please.
I don't have time, babe, okay? Have a nice day.
Babe. Please. I'm sorry. Okay?
Come on, babe. You don't need to be sorry. You haven't done anything wrong, or have you? You don't need to be sorry, okay? Take care of yourself and call me if you need anything, okay?
Babe, I don't need anything.
I love you.
I just want us to talk, please, babe. Shit. I'm in trouble.
Yeah, your goods are here. Top notch, good quality, beautiful colors, just like I ordered. You can have it.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome. Is anything the problem?
I know I have no right to step my foot here in your business premises after everything I did to you and your husband. I want to let you know that I am deeply, truly, and terribly sorry.
I don't hold anything against you. I already told your friend that. I'm good. It's totally fine.
But how do you do it? Because I can't even place the fact that we did such a terrible thing to you. The fact that we stayed here and badmouthed you and your husband in your presence. That must have been so painful. We're really sorry. We didn't mean to cause you such pain because you've been nothing but sweet to us. I am terribly sorry. Please forgive me.
And I hope that my sweetness, kindness, and calmness teaches you to retrace your steps in a good way. Whatever are your reasons for doing what you did, whatever it is, but just so you know, it gives the wives headaches. So do the right thing. Be nice, be kind. That's all I have to say. Your goods, you can have them.
Here.
Wish you luck.
Wait. Babe, please. Listen to me.
What do you want me to listen to? What exactly do you have to say to me, Justin? About your sexual fantasies and your sexual journey with your dirty, cheap sluts? What exactly do you want to say to me? Tell me! That it was a mistake that you cheated on me? After years of being faithful to you? What exactly do you want to explain to me, Justin?
I'm sorry.
No, you're not. You're not sorry, Justin. You're a selfish man. You're a self-centered, stupid man. I stood by you. I defended our love when our parents spoke against you. And this is how you choose to pay me back? Cheating on me? I don't deserve to listen to any rubbish you have to say. I hate you!
Oh, there you are.
You're welcome once again.
Thank you.
So what brings you here?
Well, I have news.
Okay.
I haven't told the girls yet. I feel like they will make fun.
Why? Hope everything is okay.
Yes. But I feel awkward saying this to you. Not after all my friends put you through.
Come on, Queen. I told you didn't do anything wrong. And you know you can tell me anything, right?
Right. Well, now that you say so, this is for you. I'm inviting you for my wedding personally, so I have to come myself.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Queen, congratulations. I told
Thank
you.
Thank you
I
so
told you
much.
were a good kind of difference.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, baby.
I'm so happy for you.
And Rosie, I hope you saw things out home. You're a good woman, a kind one at that. And you deserve everything happiness. Please, you do.
And I'll be there on your big day. I'll be at
should.
your wedding.
You
yeah.
should. Don't let me look for you.
Wow.
Please.
Thank you so much, Queen.
You're
Thank
welcome.
You. Oh, congratulations.
Baby, please, I'm begging you, for the sake of our daughter, please move back to our room. Okay, I've run out of answers to give her. Please, babe. Babe, please, I'm sorry. Okay, please, just... Baby, open up, please. I messed up. I really screwed up. I betrayed you, and I broke my vows. Baby, whatever punishment you feel is necessary is fine. But please, I want you to find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please.
Justin, I trusted you. I loved you. I gave you my heart. Yet you chose to lie to me. You threw all that away in the mud.
I know. And I'm truly sorry. Baby, I love you so much and I can't stand the thought of losing you.
Yet you lied to me. You cheated on me, Justin. Frolicking around town with different women, doing dirty and unimaginable things with them. Justin, you failed me.
I'm sorry. was weak, stupid, foolish. But I am sorry, babe. Baby, I am begging you with everything that you hold dear to please forgive me. Okay? I know you have every right to be upset. You have every right to walk away. But please, for the sake of our family, for the sake of our daughter, just give me one more chance. If you give me one more chance, I promise you that I'm going to make this right. I'm going to wake up every day to love you, to cherish you, and worship you. Please. Babe, I promise that this will never happen again. If you forgive me, please. I don't want to lose you. Baby, please.
No. You don't have to do that.
I need you to know how sorry I am.
It's okay. You don't have to.
I'm sorry. Please. I miss you so much and I love you. I'm sorry. I love you too. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.